All right, we have a Mitsubishi Fuso FESP. I believe it's a 2000, but I should probably check the VIN plate. If you look at the interior here, I think it's a 99 or a 2000. I don't remember. So I cleaned it up. It's not that perfect, obviously. It has some dirt and things. It was a work truck. Has a cracked windshield, but everything's pretty good. I mean, engine's in good shape. This toolbox is phenomenal. Don't have the key for all the locks, but they don't open anyways unless you have the key for the main lock, which is right here. So I have two of those. They're hard to cut. You could, still get a bolt cutter in there if you had to, but nice big bed here. A little bit of standing water from the rain we got yesterday. So we'll go ahead and get that water out. So yeah, cold start. You get to see how it runs. So much fun to drive. Windows work. Alright, so I just paused it a couple minutes to let you not sit here while I let the engine warm up a bit. It does have this feature. I'm not sure if that warms the engine up, but you can tell it blocks the exhaust and reroutes the turbo, I think. And that also comes on with the air brakes, so maybe that's just air or engine brakes. I'm not sure. Lights. It's got the idle, so if you wanted to idle it high, you pull that out. So that's kind of cool. Parking brake works. Never tried the emergency engine stop. Radio works. AC does not work. I don't even know if it has it. Heat does work. It's got this little compartment. That one. Cup holder that's dirty as hell. Let's see. So this comes down somehow. Yeah, there you go. Some files. Or a place to put your files. So yeah, let's go ahead and let's take this thing for a quick spin. It's smaller than my F250 four-door long bed, believe it or not. And the turning radius is incredible. I mean, the fact that we just made that turn is unreal. So you see I think it's the engine brakes or something that turn on when you let go of the gas, so that slows you down. Thing rides so good, so smooth. Got an idiot in the road that's a good place to be. Temperature always stays nice and cold. Fuel gauge works. The fuel filler is actually inside the toolbox. It's kind of cool. So I'm going to go ahead and punch it here. Transmission has been rebuilt recently, I was told, and shifts great. So I was told that this vehicle was used for an AC company, and they did a lot of work driving from San Diego out to Arizona. And I don't know if you're familiar with the area, but you need to have a pretty good vehicle to make that drive, because not only do you have, you know, a 6% grade that almost goes straight up for 20 minutes or 30 minutes, you know, I mean, that puts a lot of stress on the engine. But you also have the desert, and you know, it's 110, 120 out there sometimes. So I know this thing's mechanically sound. I've driven it a bunch of times. And it tops out at like 75, 80 or something like that. But it's just such a cool truck. I'm so bummed that I'm gonna have to get rid of it. We're actually gonna be moving, and I'm not gonna have room for my toys, so you're gonna see a few videos here of the stuff that I'm selling. Ooh, termites, nice. All right, so now that we have the engine temp up, I'll give it a little bit more gas so you can see how it kind of accelerates. I mean, it isn't the fastest truck in the world, but it's a 4-cylinder turbo diesel. It should just pull a house, you know? So I'm gonna floor it now. I gotta slow down or I'm gonna get a ticket, but yeah, the thing's chill. It's fun. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions or if you're interested in buying this thing. The toolbox can hold like 3 full-size toolboxes for the tool bed. So I was thinking about putting all my tools in there, but I don't think that's gonna be the case anymore. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Hopefully you enjoyed.